Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I am going to unbox the Allure beauty box. I have still been getting it. I did not cancel it. I know I probably should, but I kind of like the last couple boxes. I don't know. I still haven't made a full decision, so I'm officially down to the Walmart brand share box, which is only $5 a quarter. And then there is my BoxyCharm and Luxe, and then Boxy Premium, and then Allure. So I think, I don't know, I might be canceling BoxyCharm at some point, but I don't know. Allure is $15 a month, well $15.90 I think mine costs a month because of my taxes. So let's get into this. Let's look and see what we got in our box. I actually just finished one of these in the shower a couple days ago. This is from Rituals. It is the Ritual of Ayurveda? I don't know. The Ancient Art of Living Wisely. And it is a harmonizing foaming shower gel. The one I finished was a little bit different. I think it was like a little bit more of an appley red package. This is Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil, and I do know I really love this formula. However, I don't like the aerosol can. They're not good for the environment. I don't know. I will use that and enjoy it though, because I know I like those. Hold on. Alright, sorry guys. Carter whacked his head on the door. So the next thing I have in here is from Dr. Botanicals. It is the LM, not sure, Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. It looks like it's probably a lotion. It says it's a butter. Let's see. It's a multi-use balm used as a moisturizer. Rub small amount of balm in between your fingers. Apply to dry, cracked areas such as lips, elbows, heels. So it is a multi-use moisturizer basically, and if it smells like lemon, probably gonna love it. I do love the smell of lemon, like that lemony clean fresh scent. Love it. Okay, and the next thing I see in here, I actually know for a fact I have one of these in my collection, but I do feel like it is a different shade. This is from Floss. It is my new favorite lip gloss, and this is in the shade LAX. I do believe I have the shade YUL. So the Yule shade is the clear one, and this one looks like it is definitely tinted. It is a nude toned, which I love. Now if this is super opaque, I probably won't love it as much, but I really don't want to open it. So I do need to put this in my inventory. I just did my inventory for lip glosses, so kind of sad that I'm already adding on another one, but that's what you get for getting boxes. You don't pick them out, you just get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, right? Anyways, so I'm kind of excited actually to try that brand, considering that now I have a color and the regular clear gloss. I can definitely get a good feel for that brand and see if I like it. Then I got a mascara. This is from Rodial. This is the Glamolash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Mascara for amplified volume, which I am not mad at. And this is probably just in the shade black. It doesn't have, yeah, Extreme Black Lash Mascara. Fair enough. And it is completely sealed packaging, so I do really appreciate that. And once again, I will be adding this to my inventory. So we're at that point where I am going to have to start adding things to my inventory throughout the year to make sure my inventory stays pretty up to date, which is fine, but yeah. Okay, the next thing we got is from Mamade. This is a brand that I have definitely gotten before. This is the Red Energy Recovery Serum for, this is Blossoming Energy. I don't know what's super blossoming about this, but I think you use this on your face just as a regular serum, and it is like a very small packaging. It is 0.16 fluid ounces, so that won't be a lot. This will be quite a limited number of uses, which is totally fine. If I like it, then, you know, I can always buy it, but I don't know. I like getting stuff like that, but then it's like, sometimes I don't get enough to actually know if I love it or not. I don't know. I'm always hesitant about those. Then the final thing that I got in the box is a mask. This is from LapCos, and as you guys know, I just finished up all of the LapCos masks that I had besides the charcoal ones. So now we're adding on another one. This is the Hyaluronic Moisturizing Mask. This was one that I did really like. However, the packaging does look different. I bought mine at Costco, and this is what this packaging looks like. And I know I like this one, so I definitely won't have an issue using it. But it expires in October of 22, so I have quite a while to use it. So this will go in the back part of my stash since I already know I like it, and get used eventually. All right, you guys, so that was everything in my Allure beauty box this month in March. And I'm not completely satisfied, but I'm also not disappointed either. I mean, we got 3 full-size products, it looks like, and 2 sample sizes and a mask. So I do think that Allure does a really good job at putting, you know, good products in here, and I haven't really been super disappointed yet, so I'll go with it for now. Alright, you guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!